What's up, YouTubers? Today we're going to talk about a subject that we talk about a lot here at Key Credit Repair, and it's probably one of the most searched credit queries on Google, and it's and excuse my bad handwriting, free credit report. Okay, where do I get my free credit report? How do I get my free credit report? What website do I go to? Or you think you're getting a free credit report, but actually you're not. So let's talk about free credit reports, guys. So I'm going to give you guys where you can get your free credit report, how to get it, what the catches are, what the gimmicks are, because trust me, there are a lot of them. Okay, so what's the deal with free credit reports? Well, number one, the United States government has allowed you, the consumer, access to your credit reports through the 3 credit agencies once per year for free, unless you've recently been declined, which you can actually request them again. Okay, now where do you access this? Well, technically speaking, there's only one website. There's only one, guys, where you can access all 3 credit agencies completely free of charge. But I'm going to give you the catch, okay? So that website is going to be Annual Credit Report.com. Okay, annualcreditreport.com. Okay, now when you go to this website, it's going to give you the ability to pull your Equifax, okay, your TransUnion, and your Experian credit data. Okay, you're going to get everything, every nook and cranny of that data you can get once per year for free. You can download it as a PDF. You'll have access to it forever and ever. Okay, it's a great thing, and it's extremely detailed. Once again, what's the catch though? The catch is no one said in any of these laws that your credit score is free. There's no credit score. Okay, no score. Okay. Now there is the option through each of the bureaus when you're accessing that free data to upgrade and pay somewhere between $8 and $10 per credit score. Okay, but if you're just looking for the data, you want to see what's on there, it's very much recommended. Okay. Now, if you want to go one step further, you want to get some of your data, or as much data as you can, plus credit scores, okay, or some sort of credit score, and you have another site that's super popular these days, and one we tend to recommend a lot because we like how usable it is, and you have Credit Karma, okay? So Credit Karma is going to allow you to access your TransUnion credit data, 100% free of charge, okay? Your Equifax credit data, and you're not getting your Experian data. That's one of the catches, okay? Also, you are getting credit scores in the form of something called a Vantage Score. Okay, so a Vantage Score is a credit score that's used for educational purposes only. It was created by the 3 credit agencies. It's owned by the 3 credit agencies. Banks and lenders do not use it. 90% of credit decisions are made using what? FICO scores. So Credit Karma is a good report. We like the monitoring. We like it, but realize you're not getting everything. Okay, you pay for what you get, and you're not paying anything here, so you don't get everything. Okay. The other website that we like is free credit report.com. But another catch. Here's the other catch, guys. With freecreditreport.com or freecreditscore.com, you are only getting free Experian data. Okay? Equifax, get nothing. TransUnion, zero zip zilch. Okay? And usually you're going to get some sort of a score. I've seen them offer FICO, or usually FICO 8 or 9, which banks and lenders, of course, they're not using it yet. Most mortgage companies using FICO 4 or FICO 5, or they're using their plus score. Okay. So if you want the free data, just the data, annualcreditreport.com. Okay, you can get an upgrade, you can pay for it to access scores, but there are no scores. Credit Karma is going to give you TransUnion, Equifax, and a Vantage Score, which is really good for educational purposes only. You get a free app as well, and the credit monitoring alerts are really good. Okay. Another big negative with Credit Karma, something I don't like, is the fact that I'm constantly being marketed. Okay, keep in mind, they're not charging you anything. They need to make money. So every time you log in, guess what? There's a banner for Amex, there's a banner for Visa, there's a banner for this, that, and the other. And I don't like the fact that my data is out there in that way, although it's out there anyway somewhere, right? And then we have freecreditreport.com, which is giving you Experian data plus 1 credit score. Okay, now that's where you're getting some free credit reporting. Now, what is the common theme here? If you want it all, you must pay. Okay, one thing I tell every single one of my clients: stop being cheap. Pay for credit monitoring. You will pay for all types of warranties on all types of things. You will pay all types of counselors, advisors, and coaches, but you will not shell out 20 or 30 bucks per month, $360 per year to monitor all 3 of your credit agencies, to check all 3 of your credit agencies, and to look at and monitor all 3 of your credit scores. That's financial insanity. Okay, if you want to look at exactly what the banks are and lenders are looking at all times, and you're willing to shell out the cash and credit is important to you, then my suggestion, and you guys will see this a lot, this is not for cheap people, is myfico.com. Get on there. I think their 3-in-1 membership right now is somewhere in the ballpark of 30 bucks. All 3 credit agencies, all 3 FICO scores, and every variation of the FICO score. Remember, guys, FICO 4, FICO 5, banks and lenders, mortgage companies, that's what they're using. FICO 8, FICO 9, they're not using it. We could care less if we're getting that score for free. You also have auto lending scores, credit card scores, insurance scores. You got everything on there. So, guys, that is your explanation about free credit reports. All right, this is Nick Tsoukalis with Key Credit Repair, and this was your credit news for the day.